Hey guys, we received this Funwares Minute of Fun game, like 237 minutes for the kids or adults if you want to, and for the test and try. So this is a game like a 237 minutes, and it's a game for kids, adults, teens, or family, or a game night. So basically, this comes with these cards. You have to choose or whatever the card comes to you, and there's an activity written on it, and you have to do that activity with this supplied certificates. So this is a fun thing because they have a lot of activities using this small stuff, and all the manual is described, but on the card itself, all these activities are described. So I would say they have a lot of things and activities like take the spoon, put the ball on it with the dice, with the the cups you have to put in the balls, and then all other activities on the card. So like the blow ball, one hand grab, with these different colors of the cups, and then you have to toss at like a lot of things I will say. And then it's the dice to think who will do it. So it's a nice combination of all the games, and everything is on this card. So I will just show these cards also so that you know how this thing will go. Like the spoon, you have put in the mouth, put a ball on it, and then walk with it. And you can also put in your scores, who is winning, and things. So yeah, it's all quality stuff here. And this the cards you can see like the activities written, and then you can choose that one. So see all the things that comes with it here, and let me just open the cards and then I can show it to you. So these are good nice quality cards, and you have to choose one of these cards. Once this card you chose, then this have the activities mentioned on the back, and you have to do that activity. So like all this thing is described well, that how you have to put it with the straw and then putting in the cup, or the toss and everything. And then once you do that activity, and if you win, then you score. If not, then you lose, and you just keep on going with the team and other things. So I will say it's a great, fun thing for kids and adults to have fun with family.